Aw man, I keep getting destroyed by people in this game. What should I do?
Just be better and use the chainsaw.
Who said that?
Look down a little bit.
How did you get there? Wasn't you just a tree?
Use the chainsaw, magically disappears.
What do you mean? I feel powerful. I didn't have a clip of me holding a chainsaw, but this will do. I will become the master of the chainsaw. Plus I got the anchor saving that for a later video time to teach you how to chainsaw. I don't really know how I do it, I just do it. Slow down the video and see how I turn, because that's how you do it, I think. You can hold the sprint button to control it a little bit better. And if you don't have your arm, it will be a little one instead of a bigger dash. You can use this tech to snag some credit and quickly get away. Thanks for watching. I'll try making longer videos in the future.